There it is in all of its glory. Casper's hot dogs in Hayward, California. We're back again, folks, in Hayward, California. I have darkened the doors once more of the Casper's Foothill Boulevard hot dog shop, and today I'm going to be reviewing their chili cheese dog, and I got a Polish dog with sauerkraut and brown mustard and a medium drink, and it was $21.12, just like the Rush album. So let's dig in. We're going to dig into the Polish dog with sauerkraut and brown deli mustard. I wanted to amend my previous review. I had said that for the price, I thought Costco was a better value, and then I went for the $1.62 Costco meal. Here, they steam the bun. This is a traditional Polish dog with sauerkraut and brown deli mustard. 1 to 5 review. I might have overdone it, folks. Sauerkraut's got good properties for your gut health. And Costco doesn't have the Polish dog. The steam bun is a great touch. Excellent. Five out of 5 on the kraut dog. I'm going to leave the rest for later because I really wanted to dig into the chili cheese dog, which is quite substantial. They serve it inside of this cardboard box here. Holy smokes, I didn't realize it was 2. That would explain why it was $8.79. Okay. Oh, maybe it's not 2. It's just served open face with the bean chili here. Forks and knives. Yeah, there's only one wiener in there, so let's see. Now, my favorite chili is the chili at Tommy's in the Los Angeles metropolitan area. I'm not as much of a fan of the bean chili. This is something I would eat at home. It's still good, though. Oh, man. My knife is gone forever under the seat. I'm revisiting this Polish dog with sauerkraut. Oh, yeah. I think on the, man, I dropped my knife. On the chili dog, the consistency of the chili is key for me. And this, like, very heavy bean-laden chili, like you would get from a can, I don't know, it's okay. It's still a 4 out of 5. I'm going to rate it a 4 out of 5. But if the chili was more blended, I'm glad I came back to Casper's and tried their Polish dog because awesome. So that's the review, folks. Thanks for watching. If you're in Hayward on Foothill Boulevard, visit the Caspers. They're very nice in there. And I'm here at lunchtime and it is quite busy. The locals love this place. I wished I could redo my original review because I feel like I was being a little too tough. Thanks for watching.